Hey there, imagine this. You're cruising through the park, feeling the breeze, and enjoying life without a care in the world. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best mobility scooters that can make this dream a reality for you or someone you love. Stick around because these scooters are total game changers. Hi, I'm Maria Moses, and I'm all about helping you find the best products to make life easier, more fun, and more independent. Whether you're looking for a mobility scooter for yourself, a family member, or a friend, I've got you covered. I've done the research, tested the specs, and talked to real users, so you don't have to. Oh, if you're interested in any mobility scooters, I'll leave a link in the description where you can check it out. I have a $20 off discount code available, link in description, or visit promowelt.com. Stay till the end because number 1 is an absolute game changer, so don't miss number 1. So let's get started. Number 5, Travel Pro Premium 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter by Pride. The Travel Pro Premium 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter is designed with convenience and comfort in mind. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Let's dive into its key features. Compact design. With dimensions of 37 inches in depth, 19.5 inches in width, and 35 inches in height, this scooter is easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Lightweight, weighing just 27.5 pounds, it's easy to transport and store. Comfortable seating. The scooter features a fully padded faux leather seat with adjustable height to accommodate users of various heights. The padded armrests flip up for easy boarding and exiting. Performance is key when choosing a mobility scooter. Here's what the Travel Pro offers. Top speed reaches up to 4 miles per hour, allowing for efficient travel. Turning radius. With a turning radius of 32.75 inches, it navigates tight corners with ease. Drive range offers a drive range of approximately 6.3 miles on a full charge, suitable for daily errands and short trips. Weight capacity supports up to 275 pounds, accommodating a wide range of users. Ground clearance features a ground clearance of 2 inches, suitable for various terrains. One of the standout features of the Travel Pro is its portability. Easy disassembly. The scooter disassembles quickly into 5 lightweight pieces without the need for tools, making it convenient for transport and storage. User-friendly controls. The intuitive control panel makes operations straightforward, even for first-time users. Customer feedback provides valuable insights into the scooter's performance. Positive reviews. Users have rated the Travel Pro 4.6 out of 5 stars, with 97% recommending it. They praise its ease of use, quality, and the convenience of disassembly for transport. User testimonial. One customer shared, "Bought this for my wife's grandpa, and it made him so happy. It's lightweight, has different speed variations, easy to turn, very comfortable. Battery is easy to manage." Let's summarize the advantages and potential drawbacks. Pros: lightweight and portable design, comfortable seating with adjustable features, easy disassembly for transport. Positive customer reviews highlighting quality and ease of use. Cons: limited ground clearance may not be suitable for rough terrains. Drive range of 6.3 miles may require more frequent charging for longer trips. In conclusion, the Travel Pro Premium 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter by Pride offers a blend of portability, comfort, and performance, making it a strong contender for those seeking a reliable mobility solution. If you're considering this scooter, think about your specific needs and how its features align with them. Number 4, 4-Wheel Power Luxury Travel Scooter. Let's break it down. Here's why the 4-Wheel Power Luxury Travel Scooter is a top pick for so many people. First off, this scooter is designed with portability in mind. It's compact and easy to disassemble into 4 lightweight pieces, making it perfect for travel or storage. Whether you're hopping in the car or taking it on a plane, this scooter is designed to go wherever you go. Don't let its compact size fool you. This scooter is powerful. With a robust motor and 4-wheel design, it offers a smooth and stable ride, whether you're cruising through the park or navigating busy streets. Plus, the tight turning radius makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. One of the standout features is its impressive battery life. With a range of up to miles on a single charge, you can enjoy long trips without worrying about running out of power. And when it's time to recharge, the battery is easy to remove and plug in. Comfort is key, and this scooter delivers knowledge. It comes with a padded seat, adjustable armrests, and a Delta tiller for easy steering. Whether you're out for a quick errand or a full day of exploring, you'll stay comfortable the whole time. Not only is this scooter built to last, but it also looks great. The sleek design and premium finishes make it stand out from the crowd, so you can choose the one that matches your style. So what do you think about the 4-Wheel Power Luxury Travel Scooter? If you're ready to take your mobility and independence to the next level, I've left a link in the description where you can check it out on Amazon or AliExpress. Number 3, MotoTec Folding Mobility Electric Trike. Let's break it down. Here's why the MotoTec Folding Mobility Electric Trike is a top pick for so many people. First off, this trike is designed with convenience in mind. It's foldable. That means you can easily store it in your car trunk, closet, or even take it with you on trips. No more worrying about bulky equipment. This trike is as portable as it gets. Don't let its compact size fool you. This trike packs a punch with a powerful electric motor. Whether you're cruising through the neighborhood or running errands, this trike has the power to get you where you need to go. One of the standout features is its long, lasting lithium battery. Miles on a single charge, you can enjoy long rides without worrying about running out of power. And when it's time to recharge, the battery is easy to remove and plug in. Comfort is key, and this trike delivers. It comes with a padded seat, adjustable handlebars, and a stable 3-wheel design. Whether you're out for a quick ride or a full day of exploring, you'll stay comfortable and secure the whole time. Not only is this trike built to last, but it also looks great. The sleek design and premium finishes make it stand out from the crowd, so you can choose the one that matches your style. So what do you think about the MotoTec Folding Mobility Electric Trike? If you're ready to take your mobility and independence to the next level, I've left a link in the description where you can check it out on Amazon or AliExpress. Number 2, 4-wheel mobility travel scooter. First off, this scooter is designed with travel in mind. It's lightweight and easy to disassemble into 4 pieces, making it perfect for taking on trips or storing in tight spaces. Whether you're hopping in the car or taking it on a plane, this scooter is designed to go wherever you go. The 4-wheel design is a game changer. It offers extra stability, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're navigating through a crowded mall or cruising down a sidewalk, this scooter provides a smooth and secure ride. One of the standout features is its impressive battery life. Miles on a single charge, you can enjoy long trips without worrying about running out of power. And when it's time to recharge, the battery is easy to remove and plug in. Comfort is key, and this scooter delivers. It comes with a padded seat, adjustable armrests, and a delta tiller for easy steering. Whether you're out for a quick errand or a full day of exploring, you'll stay comfortable the whole time. Not only is this scooter built to last, but it also looks great. The sleek design and premium finishes make it stand out from the crowd, so you can choose the one that matches your style. So, what do you think about the 4-wheel mobility travel scooter? If you're ready to take your mobility and independence to the next level, I've left a link in the description. Number 1, Pride Mobility Go-Go Super Portable Scooter Plus Armrest and Cup Holder. The Pride Mobility Go-Go Super Portable Scooter is designed for individuals who value freedom and flexibility. Its compact and lightweight structure ensures you can navigate various environments with ease. Ultra-lightweight design, weighing only 41.6 pounds, this scooter is among the lightest in its class, making transportation and storage a breeze. Compact foldability. The scooter folds down to a height of just 12 inches without removing the seat, allowing for easy storage in tight spaces. Charge 360 technology features Pride's exclusive magnetic charging port, simplifying the charging process and reducing wear and tear. To enhance your riding experience, the Go-Go Super Portable Scooter offers optional accessories. Armrests. These provide additional comfort and support during your travels. They are easy to install and can be adjusted to suit your preference. Cup holder. Stay hydrated on the go with the convenient cup holder attachment. It's designed to hold various drink sizes securely, ensuring your beverage is always within reach. Let's delve into the performance aspects. Speed. The scooter reaches a top speed suitable for safe and efficient travel. Battery life. Equipped with a reliable battery, it offers a substantial range on a single charge, allowing for extended use without frequent recharging. Maneuverability. Its compact design ensures easy navigation through tight spaces, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. One of the standout features of this scooter is its portability. Easy folding. The scooter's design allows for quick folding without the need to remove the seat, facilitating effortless storage and transport. Integrated towing handle. Once folded, the scooter can be conveniently towed like luggage, adding to its travel-friendly attributes. Pros. Lightweight and compact. Facilitates easy transportation and storage. User-friendly features. Accessories like armrests and cup holder enhance comfort and convenience. Quick folding mechanism simplifies the process of preparing the scooter for transport. Cons. Limited availability of accessories. Some accessories may need to be purchased separately, depending on the retailer. Not suitable for rough terrain. Designed primarily for smooth surfaces, may not perform optimally on uneven ground. So what do you think about the 4-wheel mobility travel scooter? If you're ready to take your mobility and independence to the next level, I've left a link in the description where you can check it out on Amazon or AliExpress. And if you found this video helpful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.